Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then welcome to my channel. Today is Nikhil's birthday. We are finally visiting India, which is almost like a different city for us. It's so far away, and I say finally because I've planned this like a few times before, and all the time something or the other has come up. We have not been able to go there, which is why I'm super excited. And also it's Nikhil's birthday, which means all the more reason to dress up, do your makeup, look nice and pretty, which is exactly what I've done. I'm going to show you guys my dress, the full look towards the end of the video, but this is the makeup look that I have created. I think it's complementing the dress really well. Everything is coming together really well. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. But if you're interested on how to achieve this look or the products that I've used, then please continue watching. Starting with my sunscreen first, I'm using Wishcare's Vitamin C Pure Glow Milk sunscreen, the yellow version. I also have the niacinamide version. I like them both equally, honestly. Okay, I need to grab a mirror first. Also, in case you guys are wondering about the rollers, I don't usually mess with rollers. I'm way too lazy with my hair, but since today I had the time and also it's a special occasion, I thought why not try some volume over here and then some curls over here. The rest of my hair pretty normal, pretty basic, because ain't nobody watching my back. So yeah, while I'm at it, I'm also going to apply some on my hands. I'm gonna let this absorb and sink into my skin before I do my eyebrows, because then it starts to move. Now today ideally is not the day to experiment with anything new, but this little primer thingy right here has been sitting in my vanity for quite some time and I've not given this a shot. So let's try this. This is from Essence. This is Cute as Shell Face Glow Booster. That's how it looks like. I have a feeling this is going to be holographic, but in grand scheme of things, once you're done with makeup, that really doesn't matter as long as it's giving me the glow. Or it definitely is holographic. Like, it's giving like pink and like purple hues. Should I try this today? Let's give it a shot. I plan on doing my eyes first today, so let's start with that. I'm going to quickly prime it with my concealer. So for my eyes today, I want to use the Glitter Galaxy Quad Super Foiled Eyeshadow Palette Volume 2. I know that's a huge name, but look at the colors, you guys. And I think I'm going to use a mixture of these two shades over here. Let's see how that goes. Before I do that, I plan on defining my eyes a little, and for that I'm using my Ellen Pro eyeliner in the shade Violet. I want to do black, but also I think because that should be the star of the show, I don't want to do a black kajal, so violet should do. And this time I'm gonna start from here, from the lower lash line, and then connect it to the outer ends of my upper lash line, something like that. I had done this like very randomly the last time I went on a date, and it looked so nice. It looked so effortless yet so feminine. So that's what I plan on doing. Now I'm taking my PAC X Sara brush. It's this one which has an angular tip or a brush like this, and I'm going to pick up any dark brown shadow, really doesn't matter, and just define that a little bit more. That already looks nice. Now I'm going to pick up this shade and this shade, honestly just like lighter shades of brown, and set my lids because it's already creasing. We don't want that. I'm going to pick up a smidge of that dark brown shade and just focus here. That's it. This looks dark right now, but it will come together, I promise. I'm also going to define a little bit on the inner corner right here. okay, not bad. Now let's pick up. I'm gonna swatch really quickly. I'm gonna do this shade, or I could do this. I think I'm gonna go with this shade right here. Ooh. I think I made a nice decision. Not bad. Now I don't want to saturate it very heavily. So I have placed it, and now I'm going to diffuse the edges a little. So it really like blends into that shape that I've created over here. I think that looks lovely as of now. I'm gonna finish off with some mascara. This is the Plum One for All mascara. I want to go ahead with the MAC one, but at the same time, sometimes if I over apply the MAC stack, then my eyes or my head just feels heavier. And I wanna have like really nice time today and not really worry about having a headache later on. So this should do. For my eyebrows, I'm starting off with the NYX Brow Glue in the shade Dark Brown. This is a recent purchase. I think it's been 2-3 weeks, and I'm still yet to figure out the best way to use it, because from everything I've seen online about this is supposed to be like a really nice glue, like the name suggests, for your eyebrows. But mine doesn't stay like that throughout the day. So I don't know how to use it the best way. I think there's still some learning curve with this. But I need it today, so I'm going to go ahead with this. Quickly finish this eye as well. Also add a little bit of eyebrow pencil on both my eyebrows, and I'll be back to do my face. Okay, I am back, and something about these rollers is giving me, or starting to give me, headaches. I'm going to just go ahead and open them. I'll have to fix it again before I leave, I believe, just to like set it in place. Okay, not bad. Okay, not bad. Considering I've not added any mousse or anything, the rollers do provide like quite a bit of volume. I just hope it is able to stay like this throughout the evening, because I plan on getting good pictures clicked. Okay, this venue or this resto bar that we are planning to go, basically we have been planning or meaning to go here at least 3-4 times at this point, and every time something or the other comes up. Either I fall sick or it's pouring and the plans get cancelled. So I'm really happy that we're finally able to make it today. For my foundation, I'm using the PAC HD liquid foundation in the shade 2.1. I feel like I've been in a rut of using the same products over and over again, and that's why I want to switch things up a little. Also, this foundation matches me quite well. So yeah. Wow, that is looking very yellow, but trust me, once I blend it out, it does look quite nice. I mean, it matches my neck, and especially when I'm wearing anything where my neck is a little more exposed, I like to use this foundation, the PAC one. Okay, foundation does look good so far. I will run a sponge later on. But for blush, I'm feeling the Sabrina Carpenter Pinky Blush. I'm not sure why, but let's go there. Why not? And for that, one of my favorite blushes to use is the Insight Lip and Cheek Tint in the shade Unicorn Sprinkle, which looks something like this. Completely purple, completely violet. But then, once you blend this, it does turn out to be one of the most, what do you call, fluorescent, almost pink. Sabrina Carpenter pink blush, of course. If you've seen my video, I've done her makeup look with all affordable products, and this is the exact blush I'd used even in that video. You see what I mean? Like, once you start to blend, it turns into this beautiful, just like in your face pink. And I don't mind that today because the dress is so girly and feminine. Today is exactly when I can pull this blush off. So let's go there. I'm gonna quickly finish my concealer with the Maybelline Age Rewind. This one is in the shade Sand, I believe. I'm gonna have the shade name in the description box. But this time I'm only going to do something like this sort of an application. I'm not highlighting the entirety of my face, just the under eyes should do. It's 3:18. I am running so late. I need to make it quick. For my cream highlighter, I'm using the Lakme cream highlighter. Okay, the shades, everything will be in the description box below. But I think I'm gonna do this because why not? Today's the day. Wait, what? The brush is not picking up anything. Okay, there we go. Now it's super saturated, so I have to be very careful. Ah. Okay, the brush is not the way to go with this highlighter. I'm gonna use my fingers. I need to tone down the highlight on my nose. Now I think because I don't have the time, I'm going to skip cream cream bronzer contour altogether. Instead, I'm going to pack in a little more of powder highlighter. I'm going in with a glowish Tantor in the shade, is this called Tantor? I've forgotten. I've not used this in a while, but I think it's called Tantor. What is this called? This is bronzing powder. I'm sorry, I just remember Tantor is one of my favorite products ever. How can I forget that? It is a cream product. So this is the Soft Radiance Bronzing Powder. I have this in the shade Tan Light 03. I'm gonna pick it up on a brush like this. This is a Verified 01 brush. I'm gonna run some on the sides of my nose. A smaller brush would have been better, but I just don't have the time. Wow, the difference a good bronzer makes. It brings together your whole makeup together, which is one of my favorite things to watch. Okay, I think the blush has disappeared from my skin. I'm gonna add a little bit more, this time directly from the brush. That might be a mistake, and I'm committing that mistake again. Okay, I'm gonna use my fingers because the best thing to do at this point. I'm gonna set my face, not entire face, but just my under eyes with this Revolution Cherry Bake Loose Setting Powder. This is the only thing that was sitting right in front of me, which is why I'm using this. No particular reason. One of the last things I want to do for my base is to add some powder highlighter as well, because that Lakme highlighter is not cutting it for today's occasion. So I'm going to use my Rare Beauty powder highlighter. This I really just use for special occasions because number one, it's broken, and number two, it can be really blinding, but in the best way possible. Just watch, it's so stunning. So I know it's super blinding right now, but now I'm going to use the other side of the brush and just diffuse it. Really just sit and diffuse it. This is what I like to do with this highlighter. So I apply with one side and then diffuse it with another side. Okay, my base, my eye makeup looks pretty good. I'm going to quickly set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I honestly forget that I have this, and again, this is something I only pull out for special occasions. So okay, I'm not going to run a sponge right now, maybe later on. Lips, the most confusing part right now for me. I am going to be there for the sundowner time and then also evening time, and I want a lip color that looks nice for both. So first I'm going to line my lips using the Mars Edge of Desire lip liner in the shade Deep Dawn. At this point I've memorized it because that's how much I use it and I talk about it. So for my lip color, I think I'm gonna use my Hue's Lip Elixir Lip Oil, I think this is called. This is how it looks like, and this is in the shade Amaya. Now I know this is not the best option when you're going to have a nice hearty meal. You probably want to apply something more transfer proof liquid lipstick, but since my lip is extremely dry and chapped and it's also peeling from here, I'm going to go ahead with this. It's very pigmented, so I only like to do one layer and then I do this. What do we think? I think the lip color might be taking away from the eyes ever so tiny bit, but I'm gonna go ahead with it because I like it. It's fine. You know what? It's fine if your eyes and lips are not perfectly coordinated. It's okay. Nobody's gonna judge me. I have to remind myself that. But what is most important is that I should like my makeup, and I like my makeup. All right. So let's do jewelry. I'll do my usual hand stack. Nothing special. I know I should probably switch them, but it's just really like a no-brainer, no nonsense hand stack that really works with every outfit, which is why I just stick to these. By the way, these bracelets, I think most of these are from shop XOXO, and I think one of this, maybe this one, is from the Envy house. So now you know. I know I'll get questions asked, so I thought I'll just clarify. Now for earrings, I think I can do something really chunky like this one. Okay, not bad. This is one option that I have. Or I can do something more subtle but more elongated. Wait a second. Which one do I like more? I think this one looks nice. With this haircut at least that I have, I think I'm gonna do this because I also want to do something on my neck. So I'm gonna keep my earrings pretty simple. For my necklace, I think I'm gonna do this one. It's pretty dainty. It has a black though, which I'm not sure about, but I think it looks nice, so let's do this. Is this looking nice? I think it is. I just hope the black is not looking odd. It's fine. You know what? This is okay. This is a-okay. Okay, so this is the finished look. I think I really like it. It's exactly what I had in my mind, and it's also complementing the dress and the silhouette and everything, which I'm really happy about. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, click on the bell notification right next to it. You can follow me on Instagram right over here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.